Now Bhatti Saab says that 10 years after its formation, Telangana has not progressed as expected. He says that the previous government failed on all fronts, and development of the state and the welfare of the people suffered, and the state was pushed into a debt trap. He points out that it was a huge challenge for the new Congress government to manage the state, which was in financial shambles. Sir, when I say this, I would also like to say that the financial situation of the state was not hidden. It was very open. Every budget session we used to debate on that. Every appropriation bill we used to have a discussion, and a healthy discussion. I still remember and recall, I was also in the house when Mr. Jana Reddy Saab was a LOP that time, leader of opposition. I remember him using a sentence and saying that the state is in a financial emergency state. So I don't understand. When I was coming to attend the assembly, sir, I was hearing Harish Rao Saab's speech, and then I was also hearing a reply by the finance minister. He was saying in Telugu, if I have to translate, uska matlab ye tha कि आपने तो ऐसा हाल कर दिया कि तनख्वाह देने को पैसे नहीं है। तो सवाल ये पैदा होता है, ये सिचुएशन आपको मालूम नहीं था, आपको दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था, या किताबों में लिखा हुआ नहीं था। ये फाइनेंशियल सिचुएशन को देखते हुए, seeing the financial situation, you have promised to the people of the state that we will do this, we will do this, we will give this, we will do that, we will give you this. Whatsoever, howsoever the financial state is, it is the responsibility of the government to fulfill the promise, and I'm sure that the Congress government will try its level best and fulfill all the promises made to the government. This is why I said that I believe in giving time. Sir, when the financial status, sir, if this narrative of Mr. Bhatti Saab, Finance Minister Saab, where he says that debt trap mein hai, aisa hai, vaisa hai, so I would like to ask one thing, sir. Again, I was reading the budget speech. In that, if I am wrong, I may be corrected, sir. Sir, the state GSDP rose from 4,51,580 crores in 2013 and 14, first year of formation of Telangana. Sir, I am repeating, 4,51,580 crores, first year of formation of Telangana, to rupees 14,63,960 crores in the year 23-24, current prices. Sir, going further ahead, similarly, the per capita income of the state rose from 1,12,162 in 2013 and 14 to from 1,12,162 in 2013 and 14 to 3,47,299 in the year 23-24. If I am wrong, I may be corrected. Sir, if the state economy was badly run and the state finances were mismanaged, then how do you explain the progress of Telangana in the last 10 years? How do you explain it, sir? So I am not coming for a rescue of the BRS party, sir. No, not at all, sir. Sir, I am bringing these figures and giving this message to the investors who are interested to come in the state that our state is progressing, our state's health is very good, you can come, you can invest. But if we are going to just for political gains, target, and just say that the state is in a bad state, state is in a very bad financial state, then how the investors would be coming?